Yeah, good morning, everybody.
Good morning, friends.
Good morning. Topic for the day for group discussion is on global warming. You get about 10 minutes time to discuss on the topic, right? And you can keep going.
Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss a topic.
It's a good sign to commence a group discussion by wishing your team members.
Global warming. As we know, our Earth is mainly facing a big problem, global warming. This is because the ultraviolet rays coming from the sun is directly coming and affecting the Earth. This is because
My friend, I agree with you, but what is the reason for the ultraviolet rays coming directly to that?
This is because of
Do not snap. It's not a question answer session.
we have an ozone layer on the top of the Earth, and by this the pollution coming from the pollution which we are releasing from factories or vehicles, those are going up and they are making the ozone layer to make holes on that ozone layer.
Not only from factories or any other pollution. Ourselves also we are making so many pollutions by using carry bags, polythene carry bags, or these things. Is not properly mixed into soil. It takes a lot of time to mixing into that. This is one reason to pollute the earth, and is also is creating so many chemicals and rays to the from earth.
Okay, friend. All these are due to the desires of the human being. For example, if a human being want to run 10 kilometers, he can run, but he use motorbike or car, which is indirectly causing pollution. I think only the desires are leading to the pollution. For example, anything you take, if a man can go by boat, he can go by aeroplane, which is indirectly causing pollution. Because a man can use an air cooler, but he is using a man can use a pot for drinking cool water, but he is using freeze. These are this aeroplane, these are releasing very toxic. For example, freeze on which are very disastrous for the pollution. This will distress the ozone layer, so that ultraviolet rays are directly reaching to the earth, directly reaching to the human body. What are the adverse effects we can get by reaching the ultraviolet rays on human body? We can get cancer.
I agree with you, but what are the age which we are living now? We are living in the nanotechnology, so we can't go back some 100 years and use pot and use a vehicle like a cycle.
Okay, but that's only I'm trying to.
I really agree with this point. I really agree with it. As the technology is improving, and the days have passed, create more innovations. He is more innovative. So as the technology increasing, as well as the pollution also is increasing. Apart from that, we have to implement these things.
Okay,
Yeah,
friends.
instead of going back again, where there is a will, there is a way. So there are now technology is improving in such a way that we can do anything. Day by day, the technology increasing. So there are many. We can take so many measures to avoid this pollution, but not going back. So we need to
Not to go back.
Allow your team members to make their point.
By that way, you can reduce the pollution from the carry bags, polythene bags. There is one way to reduce the pollution. Or otherwise, you can use a bicycle. Now in China, most of the people are using bicycles only, apart from bikes or any other thing.
Okay, friend. Let us discuss.
Avoid mother tongue influence.
Healthy and physicalness, and also with good health.
Okay,
As
friends,
we
let
are
us
in
discuss
a
it on
fast
economical
technology,
way.
we can't go back to cycles or anything. We have to, if we want to do one thing very fast, we have to go by motorcycle or anything else. But we can't go by the bicycle or anything.
You go with proper planning.
Here, the speaker is maintaining a poor eye contact. Even the other team members are not displaying good eye contact.
Or proper timing sense, or that by that way you can go early or
let us take the example of Mumbai.
Let them put the
Mumbai
discussion
trains.
for another way.
Just every day,
Avoid speaking at the same time, for it's a group discussion.
happening just by telling them to use bicycles. So it is a very impossible. Even the government, it may take 50 hours also. It is impossible to eliminate all these things. So we have to find some measures which we can.
Avoid interrupting the speaker. Let the speaker conclude her thoughts.
Whole state.
Okay, friend.
That will happen. No problem. Why not? Why not? It's not happening.
The topic is global warming, but it is not a thing
Yes.
You are
Yes.
seeing the
Okay, you are selling about technology, but this technology is indirectly leading to global warming. If this global warming
Yeah,
can use,
definitely, where
the,
there is
the
an
temperature will
advantage.
increase. The temperature
As
will
the
increase due to
technology,
which,
as the
due to which
technology is
Here,
growing,
the speaker is maintaining a poor eye contact. Avoid speaking at the same time,
this technology
for
must
it's a
useful for
group
the people,
discussion.
but it does not cause any harm to the people. For example,
Are we
take
not
this,
using the technology
see,
which is
I
present
will
now?
tell. This global warming is creating pollution is leading to, technology is leading to the pollution, which is causing global warming. If the global warming goes and increases, the temperature increases, due to which the water level in the sea increases. For example, take in polar regions, the water level increases, due to which the water within, in the recent survey, within 150 years, the water level in the seas will increase 0.5 cm, due to which the places which are surrounding these seas will submerge in those things. They are where people can die, but the people can use this technology in a good way, but not for creating pollutions or this.
I
For
have an
example,
example for
this
this.
technology,
Before-
cycle is also a technology. You are saying this technology can be used without any pollutant way. This car is a pollutant way. We can use car in a pollutant way. For example, with biodiesel, which doesn't cause any harm to the.
But normal
Yeah,
man has
whatever.
to normal man has to buy that diesel now. But he is familiar with a common man is familiar with petrol. So he go to the petrol bank and he'll.
So that we have to take sufficient measures to increase that biodiesel.
Okay.
As the
to generate
technology is
biodiesel.
increasing, we have
Okay,
to
friends,
we will take
are
such
you are
measures.
saying that some of the you are telling that there's some causes to the global warming, but the main cause is that the global warming means warming up of earth. Warming up of earth is due to attracting the sun rays attracting more sun rays. As we know, some minute points of sun rays are only coming to the earth, but due to global warming we can increase the
I'll
we
make
can-
a point of view.
we can
I will
increase
add some
attracting
more-
the sun rays. That's due to increase of carbon dioxide. If the carbon dioxide increases, similarly the global warming is also increased. There is an due to global warming. Global warming means something else. Carbon dioxide is increased in the atmosphere. We can reduce the global warming by reducing the carbon dioxide.
Yes.
Yeah,
I will add a
something
point.
else.
I will add a point
That's-
for you.
That is like
Let's give a chance to our friend. He will discuss.
Okay.
Thank you.
This speaker has initiated the silent member to speak. The silent member too positively utilized the opportunity to voice his opinion. However, he has to check the mother tongue influence.
More deforestation. So we have to plant the trees, so that we can reduce carbon dioxide and we can indirectly or directly reduce the global warming to some extent. As you told that there is a ozone layer at the top of the earth. Nowadays, ozone is depleting because of ultraviolet rays and pollutants in which we are taking. Nowadays, government took measures to prevent the polythene bags. It's a good idea because we can reduce to some extent the pollutants and toxic substances. So my idea is to reduce the global warming is to increase the plants and.
Okay, my friend.
I would like to add some more points regarding this global warming. In the year 1989, I can remember, I have read one newspaper.
Ensure
stating
that your
there was
sentences
acid
are
rains in Germany,
grammatically correct.
causing some skin
It should be
cancer due to
pronounced
this,
as red and not
global air
read.
pollution mainly. But recently our government has introduced some 4-stroke bikes, and they are also introduced pollution check for all the vehicles to control the carbon dioxide content. That's why I think
Okay,
say
And
some
one more
points.
also
Okay.
I added for this one. Nowadays, so many autos and bikes are also coming with LPG gas.
Yes.
Through LPG gas, no pollution is there. Only for we can easily drive and you can easily use that bikes using LPG.
But also solar rays also
solar
we are,
rays-
we are
Okay,
heating water and all
Okay,
those we
friends.
can reduce
Okay,
the
friend.
pollution.
Well selected examples and anecdotes to support your thoughts will display your knowledge in the subject.
Cancer and some all those diseases, skin diseases.
Okay, friend.
And,
We are only discussing about human phase. Let us discuss in an ecological phase. Not only the human beings are distraction with this global warming, but the creatures. As a human being, we didn't have a right to destroy other living beings. Indirectly, we are destroying other living beings. You see the census. whatever the living beings before, for example animals, whatever the animals or fungus, whatever the bacteria, now they are not able to exist. Whenever the ecological is balanced, the man will be free to, we will be survive very neatly, we will have a safe place to live in this earth. But we are all the creatures on this are destroying due to this global warming. So therefore we have to take preventive measures.
Yeah, that preventive measures should be taken only by the government. Yes. The government has much responsibility.
Not only government, from ourselves.
Ourselves. International organization like World Health Organization. So it is posing some measures. It is globally.
See, my friend, it is not only a problem to. My opinion is all the countries must come to together.
World Health Organization has been implemented.
Each and every person is responsible for what they are doing.
Each and every person is responsible. Definitely, I agree with you. But there is a representative for all these persons. So government is definitely responsible, and by providing some preventive measures and definite actions, so people also can able to follow that measures. Everybody cannot make their own decisions and have their own things.
Government must educate the people what the pollution the people are doing and what the factories and all those. They have to educate the people living in urban and rural areas also.
Okay,
not all. If you think in India, for this I think global warming mainly is the population. So we need to reduce this population. We have to create. Government has to take such measures that awareness is being imposed in the people. So something like in urban people, okay, they have some awareness about this population, how to reduce that population. In rural people.
Okay, my friend, we are discussing about global or not population.
It is one of the areas affect the population. Also.
Pay attention to what the speaker says and then express your views. Check the usage of "my friend" too frequently.
Because of this deforestation only we are.
Everyone must want to be employed. So they want to they want to go join.
That's not.
We have used up 10 minutes, right? And I want every one of you to give your briefing on the group discussion. Everyone can speak about for a minute and give their impression about what has happened in the group discussion.
Be ready to sum up your views individually when asked to do so by the observer.
Major issue in the whole world we are seeing. So this global warming can be reduced. Mainly it is in the hands of every person. Every person has to handle this situation, and government also should take proper measures in order to eradicate this global warming.
Friends, I come to conclusion that about the global warming, everybody should be responsible for global warming, because we have power to reduce the global warming, and we are the ones who want to reduce the global warming. And government also took preventive measures for reducing the global warming, and government should motivate the people through some ideas, through some surveys like that, and so that we can reduce the global warming. It should be responsible for everybody in India. So save the trees and save the world. That's right.
Good morning, friends. As the global warming topic is given, we know global warming is that something like that, increasing the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. We can reduce the carbon dioxide by planting trees and something else. Mainly the carbon dioxide will be increased in urban areas, something like cities and etc. Due to more industries and more population that using cars and something like that. We can reduce this carbon dioxide in cities, means the government has to plan and place trees and something else. And everyone should be responsible for the global warming. Everyone is responsible.
Hi everybody. While concluding to the global warming topic given as today, most of the people, all and each and every people will responsible for reducing the global warming by the way of using carry bags apart from polythene covers, apart from paper bags or gunny bags, or otherwise so many nowadays government.
Here the speaker is not enthusiastic and is maintaining a poor eye contact.
Not in house and in cities and locality areas. By the way, also we can prevent the global warming, and by using LPG gases in bikes and any cars, in that way also we can reduce the global warming. That's why we must responsible for reduce the global warming, and each and every people who are responsible for reduce the global warming. This is my conclusion.
I would like to conclude this discussion as due to urbanization and industrialization nowadays, recently from the past 10 years, the global pollution is drastically increasing. So as an individual, we are partially, directly or indirectly, we are responsible for global warming. So we have to take measures that we should not directly involve in the pollution process. As a government, it has to take more techniques from WHO to how to reduce the pollution in our country. Thank you.
Okay. From all our finished discussion, I come to conclude that we are the responsible for global warming, and how we can eliminate this global warming, and what are the alternative steps we can take for global warming, and some of our friends had given a good points on the alternatives for use, and from here I came to conclude from the points, this global warming had adverse effect on human beings.
Good morning, friends. From this discussion, I will conclude like this. This global warming is the major problem on Earth. By this global warming, our Earth temperature is increasing. By this, the polar regions, ice, and all those are ice is melting, and the sea level also increasing. By this, the islands and all those will dip on this water. And also, by this, mainly this global warming is because of the carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, and all these. By these toxic gases, we are getting this global warming. If we eradicate this, we can get a better. Earth, and also we can plant plants. Without this deforestation, we can reduce the deforestation. Thank you. I will conclude like this.
Here the speaker says thank you and I conclude, but it should have been the other way around. First conclude your views and then thank your team members.
Hello friends, after listening to all your views, I have come to the conclusion that as my friend told, all the effects which are faced for this global warming, definitely everyone are responsible for so even who is the representative of all the people is also more responsible to take preventive measures to overcome all these things. And as an individual also, we can do, if we think, we can definitely do, just by planting a tree in our home itself, we can remove this carbon dioxide, and we can do so many things just by using unnecessary use of automobiles. That is, we can use bicycles wherever the necessary, and by doing even the small things also, we'll be able to definitely to some, not to more extent, but by using this gradually we can affect the this effects. And by
the speaker has concluded well. However, she has to improve her articulation.